In this video, I will share with you guys step by step how we make $6,500 in commission with Amazon Affiliate Marketing every single month just by using free traffic. I will share with you my methods, my strategies that helping me to earn this commission every single month using free traffic. So if you are interested to start making money with Amazon Affiliate Marketing, make sure to watch this video until the end. And if you guys skip one step, this business will be really difficult for you and you can start making commissions like this. And I made this commission in this month, okay? From the first day of July this month until the day 28th of July, okay? Anyway, for people who are interested to start making money with Amazon Affiliate Marketing, step number 1, go to Google and search for Amazon Associate, okay? Click on the first link like this, and you will be directly in this page like this. Click on sign up, and here you go. You will be again to this page. Click over here on create your Amazon account, and here you go. All you have to do, you just need to put your first and last name, your email address, your password, and your password again, and click on create your Amazon account, and that's it. The sign up process is super easy and simple. And after you finish, this will be your home page, and you should have an account like this one with Amazon Affiliate Marketing, okay? And all you have to do next is you need to choose a good and a profitable product that you should start promoting using free traffic, and we will use Pinterest to get free traffic, and we will start promoting those products, okay? But first, how we can choose a good product that people will be interested to buy from your affiliate links so you can earn commissions, okay? So step number 2, you need to go to Google and create Pinterest business account. Let me show you. Just go to Google, guys, search for Pinterest like this, okay? Search for Pinterest, click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. They will ask you if you want to create business account or personal account. Choose business account. And after you finish, this will be your home page, and you should have an account like this one with Pinterest, okay? So why we choose Pinterest to promote our Amazon affiliate links using free traffic? Because Pinterest, guys, has 1 billion monthly visitors. We can get so much traffic from Pinterest if we do it correctly and follow those steps, okay? Anyway, this will be your home page after you finish your sign up process. What you need to do next is you need to go back to Google and search for Pinterest trend, okay? Like this, search for Pinterest trend. Click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process will be easy and simple, okay? And after you guys finish, this will be your home page with Pinterest trend. So if you already have an account with Pinterest, you will already have an account with Pinterest trend. Just search on Google for Pinterest trend, click on the first link, you will be directly in this page. So here is what you need to do. Click over here on the country and choose which country you want to target, okay? You guys can target audience from United States or audience from Canada, audience from Italy, Spain, and so on. I'm gonna choose United States. Scroll down, and here you go. Pinterest will give you what's trending in United States in this month on Pinterest. This is top trends in United States this month, okay? This is the product that are trending in United States, okay? You guys can see, okay? This is a product for women's summer nails. This one, nails, date night beauty. If we click here, we can find more fashion, wallpaper. We have this one, meals ideas, outfit, dinner ideas. We have a lot. We have tattoos. I'm gonna go back. I'm gonna go and see this, the first one, this one, nails. I'm gonna click on this product that is trending and scroll down, click over here on past 1 year and choose past 3 months, okay? Like this. You guys can see that the graph of this product that people are searching for is still going up. It's really good. Okay, it's going up. It's going up, as you can see. Okay, so people from United States are searching for this product. Okay, people, or of course female. Okay, this will be just for female. And if you guys scroll down more, you can see related trends. You can find more specific keywords that people using to search for those products. Okay, like it's like this one here. Let me check on this one to see his graph. Also this one, guys, the green graph of this vacation nails, it's also good. It's going also good. Okay, but I'm gonna adjust the first one. So what you will do, guys, we guys find the product that people are searching for. Okay, people on Pinterest from United States, women's female searching for this product. What I will do, I will copy this the name of this product, and they will go to Amazon. Go back to Google and search for Amazon like this, and here you go. Click on the first link and you will be directly in this page here to your Amazon account. Okay, click here on the search bar and put this keyword about this product. Okay, and search for this product. People are searching for this one, so our chance to get commission will be high. We can get commissions because we are promoting product that people are interested to buy. The people are interested because they are already searching for those products. Okay, so search for this product, scroll down, and here you go. You will find a lot of products here about this keyword that people are searching for, guys. Okay, on Pinterest we have this product here, nails for women. We can scroll down to see if we can find more. We have this one. This one is also good one. Also, guys, on Amazon, choose good sellers. Choose sellers who has a lot of reviews. Like this one has over 30,000 people paid for this product. Okay, like this one, 30K, and this product is good price. Okay, always choose good sellers who offer good price. We have also this one is good. I'm gonna choose good one. Let me see, just let me see good. If we can find good one here. Okay, let me see. Let's choose this one. Okay, this one is good seller. Over 3,000 people paid for this product. This product is almost for $15. Okay, I will click on this product. Just click on the product that you want to use to promote it on Pinterest, and you will be there. Okay, so what you will do next, click on the picture of this product. So what you need to do next, you guys just need to double click on the picture and on save image and save this picture to your laptop. Okay, and that's it. I'm gonna click over here on save, and here you go. What you need to do next, go back to your Pinterest account, click over here on home feed, click on create pin, and upload. Click here and upload the picture about this product, this one. Okay, upload this picture about your product that you are promoting as an affiliate marketer with Amazon. You need title and you need description. Let's go back to Amazon. Go back to this Amazon page and copy this title. I'm gonna use this title here. This title is too much long, so I'm gonna just copy this part, and they will put this title here. Description. Go back to this Amazon product page, scroll down, and you should see here about this item. This is the description about this product. Copy this description. I will copy this part. I will go back to my Pinterest account and I will put my description here. It's too much long, guys, so I'm gonna delete this part. Okay, like this. Scroll down. You need to put here your Amazon affiliate account, your Amazon affiliate link. Sorry, you need to put your Amazon affiliate link. Go back to this Amazon product page on Amazon and you should already create your Amazon affiliate account, okay? And if you already have one, you should see this bar over here. So all you have to do, you just need to click over here on text, and this is your Amazon affiliate link for this product, okay? All you have to do, you just need to copy this link and go back to your Pinterest account and put your affiliate link here. Click on choose a board. If you have a new account, click on create a board, and you just need to give it a name, and that's it. And you can create as many as you want. I'm gonna choose this one, and here you need to put keywords or tags. Go back to your Pinterest trend, account, copy those keywords. This one, okay, copy this one and scroll down. You should see related trends and copy those keywords. All those keywords, you should use all those keywords in your tags here, okay? And that's it. And after you finish, even Pinterest will suggest matched tags for you, okay? You can also use those keywords. Click on publish. After you finish, click on publish. And here you go. You just published your first Amazon affiliate link on Pinterest. You guys can see Pinterest suggests for me to promote this product because it's trending. Your pin about nails might be relevant to those growing trends. Okay, you guys can see because it's trending. So that's how we can promote Amazon affiliate links with the right way to earn commissions. Use Pinterest trend, see what's trending, which products are trending, start promoting those products that are trending, and you guys can, if you stay consistent, if you post daily, you guys can make a lot of commission also with Amazon affiliate marketing business because it's really easy and simple just by using free traffic, okay? I'm not also using just Pinterest, I'm also promoting my Amazon affiliate links on TikTok and YouTube. If you guys want me to share those methods with you, you guys can comment Amazon affiliate marketing and they will start making more videos about this and share with you this guys for free, okay? So see you in my next videos.